हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज हम पॉलिटिकल साइंस का 6 चैप्टर करेंगे, क्लास 8th का। ठीक है, वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन। लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट। हु आर द की प्लेयर इन द क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम? पुलिस, सेकंड पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर, डिफेंस लॉयर, जज। राइट फुल फॉर्म ऑफ FIR, फर्स्ट इंफॉर्मेशन रिपोर्ट। हु डिसाइड्स वेदर द अरेस्टेड पर्सन इज गिल्टी और नॉट? Court of law decides. Who records FIR? It is the power and responsibility of the police to record FIR. If a person is arrested, then who grants bail to the accused? The court grants bail to the accused. If a person is unable to engage lawyers due to poverty, then who provides a lawyer? Under Article 39A of the Indian Constitution, it is the duty of the state to provide a lawyer to any citizens who is unable to engage due to poverty. Next one देखिए. Who has laid down the guidelines that the police must follow at the times of arrest, detention and interrogation? The Supreme Court has laid down the guidelines. In the court, who represents the case on behalf of the state? Public prosecutors conduct the prosecutions on behalf of the state. When we see someone violating the law, what we do? We immediately think of informing the police. Which articles of the Indian Constitution give every person a fundamental rights to be defended by a lawyer? Every citizen has a fundamental rights to be defended by a lawyer under Articles 21 of the Indian Constitution. Why do you think there is a rule that confession made during police custody cannot be used as evidence against the accused? Confession made during police custody cannot be used as evidence against the accused because the accused could have confessed under pressure or torture at the time of arrest by the police. Next one है, what did the judge say in Shanti's case after hearing the testimony of all the witnesses? After hearing the testimony of all the witnesses, the judge gave the judgment and declared Shanti is not guilty. Move to the next question. Explain briefly the roles of police in investigations of crime. The most important functions of the police is to investigate any complaint about the violation of law or crime. When any crime is committed, it becomes the duty of the police of that area to investigate the matter. And investigations include recording of the statements of witnesses and collecting their other evidence connected with that crime. After investigations, if police found that the accused had committed crime, then charge sheet is filed in the court, but police investigations must be conducted in accordance with law and with full respect for human rights. What do you understand by the term fair trial? According to the Indian Constitution, a person charged of a crime has to be given a fair trial. It is the duty of the judge to ensure fair trials. In simple words, fair trial means that a person charged of crimes should be given full chance to prove his innocence. A fair trial ensures that Article 21 of the Constitution is upheld. Move to the next question. What is the role of the public prosecutor? The public prosecutor is another key player in the criminal justice system. A criminal offence is a public wrong because it is not committed against the individual but against the society as a whole. Against the state, public prosecutor is a lawyer who represents the state in criminal cases. When police filed a case in the court, the role of public prosecutors begins. He conducts the prosecutions on behalf of the state. He presents full facts and evidence regarding the case impartially. The public prosecutor should perform his duties honestly and sincerely. Move to the next question. What is the role of the judge? The judge is the most important key player in the system of justice. Fair trials is the basic principle of impartial justice. It is the duty and responsibility of the judge to conduct fair trials and to do justice impartially. The judge hears all the witnesses and records their evidence. On the basis of evidence, the judge decided whether the accused is guilty or innocent. If the accused is found guilty, then judge pronounced the sentence in accordance with the provision of law. Next question. What do you understand by the criminal courts? Criminal courts are those courts which deal with criminal cases. At the apex of the hierarchy of criminal courts stand the Court of Session Judge. The Session Court is the highest criminal court in the district. The Session Judge can try criminal cases involving murders and other serious offence only committed to it by a first class magistrate. Next question देखिए. What are the main functions of the police? To maintain law and order in its area, to prevent the crimes in its area. Second one, to register cases of theft, rape, murder, accident, etc. Third one, to investigate and take actions on the cases within its own area. Next, last question. When Shanti was arrested for theft, Sub-Inspector Rao also left her brother Sushil in the police lockup for 2 days. Was it legal for the police to keep Sushil in the lockup? Does it violate the DK Basu guidelines? No, it was not legal. Keeping Sushil in the lockup for 2 days was illegal and against all names and guidelines of DK Basu. It was purely violations of DK guidelines. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.